Doge, doge vosau, oh yeah. Doge, doge vosau, oh yeah. Doge, doge vosau, oh yeah. It's my birthday. Yes, so it's my birthday. It's a special day, guys. Yes, so guys, today is my birthday. Today is a special day for me, a wonderful day for me. Guys, I'm here to celebrate my birthday. I'm here to announce to you guys that today is my birthday. It's my birthday, guys. I'm here to appreciate God, to tell God how much I really appreciate Him, to tell Him how much I love Him. I'm also going to use this opportunity to wish other people that are born today happy birthday to you guys. I wish you guys long life and prosperity. So, guys, I'm also going to show you guys what I got, what my husband got for me for my happy birthday gift. Okay, guys, but relax. Okay, guys, but before I show you guys, please, if you are just seeing my video for the first time, you are just passing by, please subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell. Okay, it's very important so that you can see all the updates, okay, so that you can see wonderful videos. Turn on your notification bell. It's very important. And share this video, like this video also. It's very, very good. Okay, guys, thank you for doing that. Okay, you are welcome to this channel. God bless you all. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you guys my gift, my birthday gift. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so happy today. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Happy, happy birthday. That is all I can say. I wish you many, many happy returns. I'm so happy. Today is my birthday. Jesus, I'm so grateful for making me a mother, for making me a wife, for making me a blessing to people around me. I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. Okay, guys, let me show you guys what my darling bought for me as my birthday gift. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, this is my birthday gift. Ta-da! My birthday gift. You know, I love... Anyway, let me show you guys first, okay? I want you guys to comment how you see my gift, okay? Just comment down below the way you see this gift, okay, guys? So let me show you guys. And this order come from Auto, okay? It's Auto products. So let me just show it to you guys. Guys, guess what? Guess what is my gift? Guess. Ta-da! This is my birthday gift, okay? This is my birthday gift. It's a shoe. Yeah. This is it. Ta-da! This is my birthday gift, okay, guys? It's coming from Auto. Auto products is always good. It's for me, I love their products. Okay, guys. Also got this also a t-shirt. It's a t-shirt, Puma t-shirt. Also the product of Puma. Ta-da! This is the product. This is the shirts. Okay, guys. This is it. This is the shirt. I love it. I so much love it. I appreciate this gift so much. Oh my gosh. This is it. I love it. I love it. Oh my God. You know why I love this shoe. It's comfortable. It's presentable. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. You can see. This is my gift. I know more gift is coming. Okay, guys. More gift is coming to me. To me. To me. To me. Okay, guys. I think I'm going to put it on. I'm just going to put it on. And then you guys will see how it looks like. Okay? So, stay tuned. Relax. And look and see how it looks like. Okay, guys? Ta-da! This is how it looks like. If I put on the shoe, you guys are not going to see it. Okay? If I put on the shoe, you guys are not going to see it. I don't know. Just hold on. Let me put it on. You guys. I'm sorry, guys. I don't think you guys can see it, okay? If I put it on, I don't think you guys can see it. Because I don't want to... I'm so tired to stand today. Please, bear with me. This is the shoe. And this is the shirt. So, guys, how did you see my birthday gift? How did you see it? For me, I so much love it. Okay, guys? I love it. I love it. So, that is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please join me to thank God. Wish me happy birthday. If you love me, wish me happy birthday. If you care so much for me, tell me you wish me happy birthday. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for being here. Stay blessed. Stay cool. And bye-bye. Bye, guys.